Kenya's guidelines in wearing of face masks had become limited to passenger service vehicles, boda-bodas and tuk-tuks, but now with public spaces being added as places where you should wear the mask as a major tool in the war against the coronavirus, there has been an upsurge in demand.
We not only make the masks but also the PPEs. As you can see on the other side, we have the PPE, the personal protective equipment, which is worn by doctors, nurses when they are attending to corona patients.
We wanted to participate as an institution and as a public institution to participate in combating this coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic.
Meet the Machakos Technical Training Institute for the Blind Principal Priscilla Nduku Mutua, who takes us around the institute, where she says they make at least 3,000 face masks during the day and another 2,000 over the night, indicating that they are ready to meet any surge in demand.
This is an item which is required by everybody, every mwananchi, the boda people, the tomato people, women. So we have even reduced our price, taking into consideration that we do not incur a lot of cost. In
this rise in demand, however, a downside presents itself. In the last several weeks, there have been arrests and confiscations of fake masks by the Anti-Counterfeit Authority ACA, where more than 14,000 masks valued at 1.4 million shillings already netted in various operations.
So we were able to call the personnel from Kenya Bureau of Standards, that is the KBC. They came, they saw what we are doing, they carried a few samples and they tested them and they approved. So we are doing the quality that is already approved by KBC.
At the same time, Nduku tells us that they wanted to participate in fighting COVID-19, thus imparting onto their trainees to the initiative of making surgical face masks and PPEs.
Imparted skills on some of our trainees. We realized that we could make use of them, and we also test their competencies. You know that the curriculum is focusing on competence-based education and training.
On his part, Lower Eastern Vocational and Technical Training Institute's Director John Wamae welcomed the move by MTTIB, adding that it was a vital step in ensuring viable employment for the youth.
While many companies are laying off workers and others are shutting down, this institution is doing the opposite. That is employing more and more jobless Kenyans. I trust that the proceeds from this noble venture will be plowed back to expand our production capacity and to lay the foundation.
The mask retail at 50 shillings if one buys less than 3,000 pieces and 30 shillings if one buys more than 3,000 pieces. Alan Auko, Channel 1 Business.